Good afternoon, visitors. The Duluth Area Lift Bridge will be doing a full lift to 135 feet for the arrival of the Saginaw. If you would like to see the Duluth Area Lift Bridge perform its full lift to 135 feet, I invite you to either head outside at this time to view it or stay a little warmer and admire it from one of the viewing windows. The Saginaw will be arriving through the Duluth Ship Canal in about 10 minutes. Seeing arriving in the Duluth Ship Canal is the Saginaw. The Saginaw was built in 1953 as the John J. Boland by the Manitowoc Shipbuilding Company of Manitowoc, Wisconsin. She measures 639 feet in length, 72 feet in width, and 36 feet in depth. She is powered by an 8,200 horsepower 6-cylinder Mack 6M43C diesel engine, which gives her a top speed of 14 knots or about 16 miles per hour. She is also equipped with bow and stern thrusters to aid her maneuverability in port. The Saginaw has 30 hatches on her deck, which open into 6 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 45 by 9 feet. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 20,200 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 6,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Saginaw is currently owned and operated by Lower Lakes Towing of Port Dover, Ontario, Canada, a subsidiary of Rand Logistics, Inc. of Jersey City, New Jersey. Once again, you are seeing the Saginaw arrive through the Duluth Ship Canal. They are coming in for a refuel before making their way back out again to Sault Ste Marie. If you happen to see any of the crew members out and about doing their work, make sure to give them a warm and hearty welcome to the Twin Ports here. Saginaw and the Duluth Lift Bridge. Once again, that is the Saginaw that you are seeing arriving through the Duluth Ship Canal, arriving to fuel on up before it makes its way back out to Sault Ste Marie.